This video tutorial I will explain what is email. Email, which stands for electronic mail. Email is the way to send messages and information through the internet. Email is like sending letters, but everything is digital. And email is one of the most common ways people communicate today. Now we will see how email works. The first one is email address. Just like you have a physical address for your home, similarly in digital world you have an email address. Email address is a unique name followed by @ symbol and the domain name. And here you can see the example, your name at emailprovider.com. For example, Rahul at gmail.com. This is where people can send messages to you. The second one is email provider. To send and receive emails, you need an email service. Common email providers are Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, and many more. You sign up for an email account with one of these providers, they give you an email address. The third one is sending an email. When you want to send an email, you log into your email account and click on Compose or New, and then you enter the recipient's email address. You also write the message you want to send. You can even attach files like pictures or documents. Fourth one is receiving an email. When someone sends you an email, it goes to your email address. You log into your email account to see your inbox. In inbox, you can read all the messages people have sent you. Fifth one is replying. If you want to respond to an email, you simply click on reply and type your message. It is just like having a conversation, but in writing. Sixth one is attachments. Emails can carry more than just text. You can attach photos, videos, documents, and any other files to share with the person you are emailing. The seventh one is organization. You can organize your emails into folders, mark them as important, or archive them for later. This helps you to keep your inbox neat and tidy. Email is a fantastic tool for communicating with friends, family, and colleagues. Email is used for sending personal messages, work related information, pictures, and so much more. Email is quick, convenient, and email has become an essential part of modern communication. Here you can see Gmail inbox. Click on Compose to send a new message to the recipient. And here you can see the two, and here you can write the recipient email addresses. And in subject, you can write the subject, and this area you can write the email content. Click on attach file to attach any files. Once message is ready, click on send button to send message to the recipient. And here you can see all the emails. Whenever you want to read, click on the particular email and read the content. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.